Na'am, which means yes in Arabic, is a simple and common word used to agree with someone or answer a question in a positive and confirming way. Which means yes in Arabic is a simple and common word used to agree with someone or answer a question in a positive and confirming way. Which translates to no, is a word used to politely refuse or give a negative answer in a very soft, respectful, and kindly manner today. Lik is the way to say please in Arabic. It is a very useful phrase to help you sound polite and respectful whenever you are making a request. Shukran means thank you. It is one of the most useful Arabic words and is used to express gratitude, so thank you for watching this today. Very welcome. It is my pleasure to help you, and I am happy that I could assist you with your request today, my friend. Afwan means you are welcome. It is a polite response when someone says thank you. These basic Arabic words are Ms. Ahmed, and I am very happy to meet you today. It is a beautiful afternoon to connect and share a little bit about ourselves. From Pakistan. This phrase, Anam in Pakistan, is used to tell someone where you are from, and it is a simple way to introduce yourself to others. So